really quick, this is how you use Zoom. I'm on an iPhone. If you have an Android, hopefully it's similar enough that you can figure it out. First things first, go to the App Store, type in Zoom. And I already have this, so for me it's going to say open next to the icon, but it will say get for you if you don't already have the app. So download the app, go ahead and find the icon. It's a white camera, blue background, and this is what it looks like. You need to make an account, so you click on sign up, and then you type in your email address, all that information, make an account. I type in sign in because I have an account. There's my email address that I'll type in and then password, or you can do single sign on or sign in with Google or Facebook. This is what it looks like when you're signed in. The orange icon is what you want to click on to start a meeting. When you first get it, it'll say video on automatically. I unclicked that to start a meeting because I don't want to look at my face. It'll ask you to use internet audio. Go ahead and say call use internet audio, and then click on the camera on the bottom, and that's how you can have the camera looking at you and taking video. In the bottom left corner is a little mute button. If that's clicked on red, that means people can't hear you. All right, so if you click on participants, this is how you add people. I clicked on email. That's where you type in the email address to invite people. You can also send a message, and that will act like a text message. So you type in the person's name, and your contact list will pop up. I don't want to talk to Abby, so I'm not actually going to click her name. The other way of doing it is copy the link to your clipboard, and that way you can go to another app such as Facebook Messenger, and you can paste it in. So I'm just going to click where you type, and it says paste, and there it is. And so my mom will be confused if I actually send that to her, so I'm not going to do that. So that's how you do it. And then when you go back and you're done trying to talk to people, you want to end the meeting. If you want to close it all together, just click end meeting. You can also just hit leave meeting so others can talk after you're done. So that's how you do Zoom. The end.